So we have ourselves the new tri-foldable phone from Huawei. And to be honest, when I first saw this, looks a lot like the Mate XT, but obviously it is an upgraded, second gen of tri-foldable phones. It is a beautiful thing that we do have a second gen now of tri-foldable phones, because it means technology is only going to get better and better and better. And with Samsung now joining the tri-foldable game, Huawei continuously making more of the tri-foldable phones, it's just going to get more and more companies, involved in this atmosphere of tri-foldable phones. I still feel like we are a long way away from this becoming a real, every single company out there is going to create a tri-foldable phone and they're going to ship it internationally. This right now is, mainly in China markets, European markets, very select markets. Samsung probably will bring their tri-foldable phone to South Korea and probably some other, European countries, and probably in a very limited release as well. But again, the technology is cool. I really do love the technology, and I do like how it's getting pushed forward in advance. And again, maybe the next 5 or 6 years, we see this become a real thing. Like an actual real thing is in everyone can get one. But again, it really comes down to the price tag. That's always been the issue when it comes to tri-foldable phones. It's not an issue of anything but price tag. Durability, yes, that is an issue. But now with the second gens of tri-foldables, I'm less caring about durability. It's mainly price. These phones can go anywhere from $3,000 to $4,000, and I understand it costs a lot to make them, and that's why they carry these, high price tags, is because of how much it costs to make them. But I can't ever see someone saying, "Yeah, let me spend $3,000 on the phone." Like that's up there. We're already talking about how $1,800 is a lot of money to spend on the phone. I can't imagine, even theorizing the idea of $3,000, especially not the general public. Like, you might be able to get away with these limited releases and limited quantities. You're not going to get the whole entire general public on board with that. But hey, who knows? Maybe we'll get some huge drop sometime soon. I don't know. Guys, tell me down below your thoughts, opinions. Make sure to like and subscribe button down below if you are indeed new. And tell me down below, would you personally get a tri-foldable phone? If it was affordable, would you get it? I would if it was affordable, but not for $3,000. Can't do that.